Hi guys, Jeremy here, and in today's video, we are going to cover pipelines and opportunity management in GoHighLevel. We'll discuss what sales pipelines and opportunities are, how they differ, and how to set up to track your leads from start to finish. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create and manage opportunities effectively so that your sales process runs smoothly and you can close more deals. But before we get started, I have a special offer just for you. So normally, if you go through GoHighLevel's website, you are going to get a 14-day free trial. However, with my link in the description below, you are going to get a 30-day free trial. And on top of that, as a big thank you, I'm also giving you access to my full course, GoHighLevel Jumpstart, which walks you through setting up and launching your business within those first 30 days. GoHighLevel offers a lot of features and it's easy to get lost. So in my course, I highlight some of the most important aspects to focus on, helping you start making money using GoHighLevel in those initial 30 days. Additionally, you will receive my top-notch, high-quality templates for free, including the Business Hub template for managing your business and the Finance Hub for tracking your finances, among others. Now, these are worth over $900, but you are going to get all of them for free as a thank you for using my affiliate link in the description. Simply click the first link to find all the details about these offers and how to claim them. Again, it's just my way of saying thank you for supporting the channel. So let's dive in. To understand the value of sales pipelines and opportunities in GoHighLevel, let's first define what they are and how they differ from each other. So a sales pipeline is essentially a visual representation of your sales process. It helps you track the progress of leads from initial contact to closing the deal. It shows you all of the stages through which a potential client moves, helping you organize, forecast, and improve your sales efforts. On the other hand, an opportunity is a potential sale that you're working on. Opportunities are created when you have a lead or a contact that shows a serious interest in your services, and you want to track that interest through various stages in your sales pipeline. Opportunities give you a clear sense of the deals in progress, their current stages, and the actions required to move them forward. To access sales pipelines and opportunities, you need to make sure that you are on a sub-account. From there, click on the Opportunities tab in the left menu, which will give you a full view of the sales pipelines and opportunities available in your account. Now, once you understand the difference between sales pipelines and opportunities, the next step is to set up your sales pipeline. Now, this helps you visualize the journey of your leads, making it easier to understand where each potential sale stands. To set up your sales pipeline, click on the Pipelines section within the Opportunities page. Now, if you haven't set up any pipelines, the process is simple. Click on the green button at the top right of the page that says Create New Pipeline. And once you click that, a pop-up will appear on your screen, prompting you to provide some information. The first thing that you need to do is enter a name for your pipeline in the Pipeline Name field. Now, this name should reflect the purpose of the pipeline, such as new client onboarding or sales promotions. Next, you need to define the different stages of the pipeline. Each stage represents a specific step in your sales process. For example, you can have stages like new lead, in progress, negotiation, and closed won. To add a stage, simply enter a name in the stage name field, and you can create multiple stages by clicking the Add Stage button. For each stage, you have the option to specify actions. For instance, there's a green filter icon that allows you to hide the stage from the funnel chart on your dashboard if it's not needed. There's also a green chart icon to hide the stage from the pie chart on your dashboard, and a red trash bin icon to delete the stage entirely. Now, you can also decide whether each stage should be visible in funnel chart views and pie chart representations by toggling the respective switches. Now, once you've filled in all of the details for your stages, click on the Save button to create the pipeline. After you've created the pipeline, you'll be able to see it in the Pipelines section of the Opportunities page. Now, this makes it easy to monitor your sales processes and know exactly where each deal stands. With your pipeline in place, the next step is to start adding opportunities. Now, opportunities are essentially potential deals that are in progress. To add an opportunity, click on the Opportunities tab on the left-hand menu. This will take you to a page where you can see all of your existing opportunities. Now, if you don't have any yet, creating a new one is very straightforward. To create a new opportunity, click on the Add Opportunity button at the top right corner of the screen. A form is going to pop up, and you're going to need to fill in several sections to create the opportunity. In the Contact Details section, you'll start by selecting a primary contact. Click on the drop-down and select the appropriate contact from your existing list. This step is crucial because it allows you to associate the opportunity with a specific person. Next, enter the contact's email address in the primary email field and the phone number in the primary phone field. Now, these details are necessary to keep communication clear and ensure that you're always reaching out to the right person. After that, move on to the Opportunities Details section. You'll need to give your opportunity a name in the Opportunity Name field. Now, this name should describe the nature of the opportunity, such as Website Redesign Project for ABC Company. Then, select the pipeline that you want to assign the opportunity to. You can also choose the appropriate stage within the pipeline, such as initial contact or proposal sent. Setting the stage correctly helps you know exactly where each opportunity stands in the sales process. Additionally, set the status of the opportunity. The status could be open, won, or lost. Now, this helps you understand the state of the opportunity. You can also enter an opportunity value, which is the potential value of the deal. Now, this helps you track the financial worth of your opportunities and forecast your revenue. You can also assign an owner to the opportunity. Now, this could be a member of your sales team who will manage this specific opportunity. If there's no specific owner, the opportunity can remain unassigned. You also have the option to add followers to the opportunity, allowing another team member to stay updated on the progress of the deal. Additionally, you can specify the business name if the opportunity is associated with a particular business. You can also add an opportunity source to indicate where the lead come from. Now, this could be a referral, a website, or any other source that helps you understand how the opportunity originated. Finally, add any relevant tags to categorize the opportunity. Tags make it easier to filter and search for opportunities later on. Now, once you've filled out all of the fields, click the Create button to save the new opportunity. Once an opportunity is created, you can always go back and update the information if needed. GoHighLevel provides a few different ways to manage and update opportunities. You can book or update appointments directly from the opportunity page. Select the calendar, meeting location, and give the appointment a title to schedule meetings related to the opportunity. You can also add tasks. So tasks are actions that need to be taken, such as send proposal or follow-up call. When adding a task, provide a title, description, assignee, and due date. Now, this helps you and your team stay organized and ensures that no important action is missed. There's also an option to add notes. Notes are important pieces of information related to the opportunity that you want to remember. Now, you can add notes such as updates from a call or feedback from the client so that you and your team can refer to it later. Now that we've discussed how to add opportunities and keep them updated, let's talk about moving opportunities through the stages. Moving opportunities through different stages of the pipeline is a crucial part of managing your sales process. As deals progress, you'll need to update the stage to reflect its current status. To move an opportunity from one stage to another, simply drag and drop it into the new stage on your opportunities page. For example, if you have successfully set up a discovery call with a client, you might move the opportunity from new lead to discovery call completed. Now, this helps you visualize where each opportunity is and keep everything up to date in real time. Regularly moving opportunities through the pipeline stages keeps your sales data accurate and helps you prioritize your efforts. It also ensures that you don't overlook opportunities that need your immediate attention. Now, that's it for today's video on GoHighLevel Pipelines and Opportunities. We've covered how to set up your sales pipelines, add and manage opportunities, and move them through different stages to keep your sales process organized and effective. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more GHL videos. And don't forget to check out my 30-day free trial link in the description below to get all of the bonuses and start optimizing your sales process today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.